That I can tell for sure, but it's already in the box.
New plate into the front.
It's a great toy too.
Everybody is, it's a new thing. So
It's not a great toy. The problem is when you take this thing and now, because we live in a nice first world country here.
Incredible roads as well.
Yeah. Unbelievable roads. How do you adjust that? What vehicles do? It's big, hey?
It's just the kids. The back is so steep.
it looks more like a car and then you, oh no, there's nothing like that.
Buganje, forged carbon everywhere, boys. Actually, yeah. Yeah, it's carbon fiber. Yeah, rubber section. I bought this car over here, boys. Check the price.
The band's going to be.
I don't know, boy. This thing here is probably this right here is my polo. Have an idea. 812. Which one? By the fact that we're ignoring the Urus. There's so much carbon. Really cool. You don't see many of these out. Alright, thanks, man. Thanks. And then twin turbo. And then the last car we're gonna look at the twin turbo over there. Let's go. Over here. We got that brand new Tesla Cybertruck. Hit a long shot. Cameraman's first day as well. Go easy on him. Long shot of the Cybertruck. Now you don't have to get me in frame. You can show the car, and then I'll explain. And then we'll come to the back. I'm sure that's charging. The cable. This is the thick cable. Just for context, it's charging with that thick cable that they use for generators. Or Wide body doors. My favorite car here, the A12. It looks so clean. A12 super fast and a beautiful blue color. Coming off to the side. Just for context, that's the regular one. That's what it looks like normally. Up this.
Fattest that you've
Why are
seen.
you telling me? What are you saying? Look at this thing, bro. And then, gonna go over to my favorite. Tech Art is a German company. Everyone loves Novitec. Novitec this, Novitec this. I love Tech Art. Me, I love Tech Art. Look how much carbon's everywhere. They got carbon on there. They got carbon on there. On there. On there. On there. And then over here we got a satin pista spider. The guy told me how to pronounce it in Italian. I've already forgotten, but I'll get it next time. Satin pista spider, the racetrack going down the middle. The symmetry is perfect. Trust it. Black on black Porsche with green interior. The first time I've ever seen this. The seatbelt, the straps are green. Too nice. Front of this Rolls, I've never even seen it's too nice. Let's do it.
Yeah.
As you can see, close-up look on this one. A visitor from Cape Town. Twin turbo Huracan in green. What more can you say? The LP610-4, right? That's too nice, bro. Yeah, this is it.
God fucking damn, bro. I'm overstimulated.
And then escape from there. Peep that one there. Old school, early 2000s Ferrari. It's a 599. I don't know if it's a GTO or a GTB because I'm not that big in Ferraris. This thing here, boy, naturally aspirated V12. No turbos, no supercharger, nothing. Shoots flames from here to Zimbabwe, dude. Yeah. 5% turn on the whip. There it is.